Looking for the best wireless flash triggers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 wireless flash triggers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, AODELAN FD8 wireless flash trigger. Includes transceiver, receiver, and connective cables. Wireless and wired connectivity. Features 8 wireless channels. Easy to customize for different flash settings. Maximum range of 60 feet. This adaptable lighting remote trigger makes controlling multiple lights in a photography studio surprisingly simple. Incompatible with Sony flashes. At number 2. Neewer CT16 wireless transmitter and receiver kit. Inexpensive. Includes remote and 2 transceivers. Works with a wide range of DSLR cameras. Maximum range of 30 feet. Simple setup. Easy to use. Durable. Simple but effective, this lighting remote trigger set is worth it for thrifty photographers and anyone shooting in a smaller area. Needs 3 AAA batteries per transceiver. At number 1. Altura Photo AP305C Speedlite trigger. Includes remote and flashlight. Highly adjustable flashlight head. Impressive 300-foot range. Supports 16 wireless channels. Backlit display. User-friendly design. Multiple lighting modes. Lightweight. Compact. This lighting remote trigger and flashlight combination is a must-have for novices and veteran photographers alike due to its range of features and how simple it is to operate. Optimized for Canon cameras. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.